Hi guys, welcome back to JW Brickman. Now think about it. What weapons have we built? We built a gun, an axe, and a sword. But what about a knife? Well, today we'll build it. First, take this piece, put this thing in it. Then put this on. Let's slide another one of these on. And another of these pieces. We need one more of this. Alright, here's one edge. We put this thing. Make sure there's, not one, two of these sticking out from here to make sure when you open the blade it's secure. Then the yellow pieces are handles. Let's move this back a bit so you can see it better. We close it. This part, you see there's a yellow thing there, so then we put it here this time. Add one of that, as you can see, like that. I'll give you a better view. Now close this to lock it securely. I'm just securing these rods. Put it in. And then you can fold this knife. Look. One even cooler. Watch this. It's very hard to get this, keeping it on camera. Yeah, like that. I can also explain how this thing works. So first, when you whip it like that, both of these things, one handle, and then this thing stops it from going too far, and then it goes down there. That's not supposed to happen, but if this thing comes down like that, that's an open butterfly knife. And then just simply do that to close it. Now this can fit in your pocket easily. And when you use it, just swing it like this. Goodbye.